to dream big, bigger than the universe. The bigger the dream, that less likely to achieve. People like that never want to see you success. Why? Leave your comfort for the known, for the something seemingly so unachievable, something bigger than the star itself. I will still dream big, bigger than the universe. I will still remember bigger than the universe, to find the know and achieve and achievable, to get to my fitted treasure, for the secrets of the world may guide and may walk, jog or even run for 1,000 years, if it means I can find my destiny. But one can only run for so long until they lost Satima, until their lungs feel on the fire, and I want to collapse in desert. Where there's no water in the sight, I leave my comfort for known and the achievable, my dream which are the bigger than the star itself. Why dream big? In fact, why dream at all? Why dream at all? Dreams are the goal we wish to attain. Why dream at all? To help me live without regrets. Why dream at all? To go on journey of a lifetime with a desert so fast, pushing me the forward. I will walk and jog, forever run for the 1,000 years. To reach this goal, I love to dream big, bigger than the universe.